Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this chemistry question. The diagram shows three sets of apparatus. So these are the three apparatus. Which apparatus could be used to separate a mixture of copper-2 chloride and copper-2 oxide and obtain a pure sample of each solid? So we actually want to obtain both of them, which is copper-2 chloride and copper-2 oxide. From your knowledge of solubility table, you'll be able to tell that copper-2 chloride is actually soluble in water, and copper-2 oxide is actually insoluble in water. So we need to add water to dissolve copper chloride. Then we do a filtration. So when we filter, copper oxide is actually insoluble in water. So it will be collected as the residue. You can rinse with distilled water to wash it. And what comes out is the soluble copper chloride, which you use the evaporating dish to collect. Then you can do crystallization to obtain pure copper chloride. So the answer is 1 and 3. You need 1 and 3 to obtain a pure sample of copper chloride and copper-2 oxide. That's all for today. Thank you. You are a miracle.